Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Mailgun member on cash-free payment. So let's suppose I'm managing my transactional emails for my online store with the help of Mailgun. Now I want that whenever there is a new payment in my cash-free, a member should be automatically created in my Mailgun account. Now doing this manually will be a very time-consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pably Connect. So Pably Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between cash-free and Mailgun. With the help of Pably Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new payment in my cash-free, a member will be automatically created in my Mailgun account. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create Mailgun member on cash-free payment. For this, I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pably Connect, where I have built connection between cash-free and Mailgun. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I am going to open my cash-free and do a payment. And if a member is created in my Mailgun, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So now I'm going to open my checkout page. So this is my cash-free checkout page and I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So here I have entered my name as latest user, email ID as latest@pablytudes.com, phone number as this, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh, and now I am going to click on this pay. Here I am going to select my payment method, which is card, and then I am going to enter my card details and then click on this proceed to pay. Now I have to enter the OTP and here the payment has been made successfully. Now this latest user should be created as a member in my Mailgun account. So let's open my Mailgun and let's refresh this page once. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have created this latest@pablytudes.com as the member in Mailgun. The name was latest user. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Mailgun member on cash-free payment. For this, we are going to create automation between cash-free and Mailgun with the help of Pably Connect. So this is the landing page of Pably and you can visit this simply by typing pably.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pably account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pably apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pably applications. Here I have to click on this Pably Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create Mailgun member on cash-free payment, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this all automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create a Mailgun member on cash-free payment, which means whenever there will be cash-free payment, a member will be created in my Mailgun account, which means whenever there will be cash-free payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when cash-free payment happens and an action says do this, then create Mailgun member. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take cash-free. And then in my trigger event, as I will be doing the payment via form, I'll select this. Now I have to make connection between Cachefree and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Cachefree with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Cachefree account. So this is my Cachefree account, and as you can see that I am in test mode. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'll scroll a little down and then I can see this developers option. Now if I open this developers, I can see all these options where I have to click on this webhooks and then I have to click on this payment form. Now I can see this button of add webhook endpoint. I'll open this and then I have to provide the webhook URL. So I need to provide the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I'm going to click on this test and add and then click on this add. Now I should be sent a test response from Cachefree in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my workflow. And here we can see that we have received response A. Now if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the test response from Cachefree. Here I have received some test details, phone number, name, email address and some other details. Now to check this connection of the webhook, I have to do a test payment and see whether I can capture the test response here or not. So for that, I am going to recapture the webhook response, and do you wish to recapture the response? I am going to select this as yes. Now we can see that it has changed to waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test payment in my Cachefree, and if Pabbly Connect captured that response after the payment has been done here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Cachefree, that is successful. So here I am going to open my Cachefree account, and over here I can see this option of payment form. So I am going to click on this all. And now let's say I'm going to make the payment for this webinar registration. So I'm going to copy the link of this checkout page, and then I'm going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So here I have added my name as admin user, email ID as admin87@pablitudes.com, phone number as this, city as Bhopal and the state as Madhya Pradesh. Now I'm going to click on this pay, and then I have to select my payment method, which is card. And now after entering the card details, I am going to click on this proceed to pay. Here I will enter the OTP. And then the payment is successful. Now all these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my workflow. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response instantly and automatically. Here the name that we entered was admin user. Phone number was this. City was Bhopal. State was Madhya Pradesh. Email address was admin87@pablitudes.com. And the payment was made for webinar registration form. Now as soon as I've done the payment, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Cachefree, that is successful. And now whenever there will be payment in Cachefree, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is Cachefree payment, I want to create Mailgun member. So then in my action application, I am going to take Mailgun. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this new mailing list member. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter all of these details. So to get these details, we need to enter the Mailgun account. So let's open my Mailgun account. So this is my Mailgun account. On the top, I can see my profile. I'll click on this and then go to API security. Now under this API keys, I'm going to click on this add new key and then I have to give the description. So let's say the description is Cachefree payment, and then I'll click on this create key. Now here I am provided with the API key, which I am going to copy and paste that over here in my API key and private API key. And then I have to enter the Mailgun host and the domain name. So reading this help desk, enter the region your domain is hosted on within Mailgun. Here example for US region API.mailgun.net, for European Union region API.eu.mailgun.net. So here I am going to check this Mailgun host, and over here I can see that I have the US region. So I am going to copy this and paste this over here, and then I have to enter the domain name. So to get this domain name, I have to open my Mailgun account, go to Send, Sending and Domains. So I'm going to open my Mailgun account, go to Send, Sending and Domains. So this is my domain. So I'm going to copy and paste that over here, and then I'm going to click on this Save. So here Mailgun is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to select the list. So to get this list, let's open my Mailgun account. Now to get this list, I have to click on this Send, go to Sending, and then I can see this mailing list. So I'll open this, and then I want to create the member in this particular list by the name New Leads. So I'm going to scroll down, and we can see that we have created 3 members in this list. So I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down you can see all the lists that have been created. We are going to create the member in this New Leads list. So I've selected that. Now I need to enter the email address. So I'm not going to enter this email address manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I've received the response from my cache free, and when I click on this address, I can see this cache free, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I've received from there. Here the email address that we have received in the response is admin87@pabblytudes.com. So I have entered that, and then in the update field, I want to select this as no, and then in the member name. So we are going to follow the same process and enter the name, which was admin user. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I am going to open my Mailgun and check whether this member has been created under the same list or not. So here this is the list, and we are going to refresh this page once. And now if I scroll down, I can see that I have created this admin87@pabblytudes.com as the member in my Mailgun account under the same list. The name was admin user. So now to summarize, we took cache free as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We have done the test payment in my cache free and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to create member in Mailgun account. So we took action application as Mailgun, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the list in which I want to create this member, entered the member details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button, and received the response as this member being created in my Mailgun account automatically and instantly. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between cache free and Mailgun with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.